What's up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So this is a video for one of my viewers. So right here I have 25 milliliters of tetrahydrofuran and 25 milliliters of acetone, and so I'm going to put them in this separatory funnel, mix those two, and then I'm going to add water to see if they will layer out, and then we will move forward after that. Let me pour those in there real quick. Alright, so I just put them in there. You can see the like clear swirls in there for about 1 second, and then they mix perfectly, no reaction. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so you can see it swirling around in there. So they basically are all miscible together. They do not form any separate layers. So now the next thing to do is I'll put this in a boiling flask, and we'll fractionally distill it and see what we get. That's the one thing that's nice about THF and acetone, is they have two very different smells, so should be fairly easy to tell. Maybe it won't be 100% pure, but at least be able to tell more of one side or the other. I'm at least hoping, but we're gonna find out. Alright, so I changed my mind. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it 50-50. So this I'm gonna fractionally distill. This I'm gonna add sodium bisulfate to see if it turns to adduct. And now if I can only find my darn sodium bisulfate somewhere in this damn thing. Well, I found sodium metabisulfite, so that's just gonna have to work. And notice it's the F-I-T-E at the end instead of F-A-T-E. It makes a big difference. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this in there, which is a THF, acetone, and water mix, and it should form a white precipitate with the acetone, and so then we would just have THF and water, which should separate fairly easily. Alright, and as you can see, it definitely changed its form. So now I should just be able to distill this and just get THF off of this. Well, I guess I'll have to set that up. Alright, I poured it off, so I left the white precipitate in my beaker, and so I got this. So I'm gonna start distilling this now. Well, that worked really good. The faction that came across is very pungent with THF, a lot more than what it was coming from. So this method here is definitely a success to get the THF for sure. And then we've all seen my other video of fraction distilling the other way, so I'm not going to go ahead and show you guys that all over again. So anyways, the sodium bisulfite method definitely works well. Anyways, till the next one, guys.